submitted about that Mr. Yasmin is in this boat. Council for the petition is in this book. That's a prayer for settlement of this matter for a period of 3 days. Then met. So with the council for the respondent. Prayer allowed. List in the week. Commenting from 8 April to the we pass the order, but not at this stage. The matter reach. The matter may not reach also. So
Lord. Lordship, I do not have the file. Kindly accommodate.
doesn't matter.
Much obliged.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 6. Lordship, Mr. Archer is not there. He's out of station. Lordship, 1 week time may be granted. Next week, any date may be fixed.
We'll pass the order when the matter reaches. Not.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
It may not be there, no problem.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 4. I am praying for matter may not be taken up today, or may be taken up on next Monday, my lord, or Friday, my lord.
We'll see. Let the matter reach, we'll pass the order. Not
My
at this.
lord, too late.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3. The matter may be adjourned for 1 week. The learned engaged council is out of station.
Who is that English council?
Yes, Ahmed.
Let the matter reach, we'll pass the order. Not at this stage. Okay? No problem. The council naya put on order. Mati kichu.
Motion, item number 10. Item number 10.
Learned member Furnace Tribunal. No, learned Furnace Tribunal. 6. Test 4. So here. In case number FTC in bracket 6 41 oblique 2017 by the impugned order the day 29/12/2023 appoint the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946. Is satisfied with say petitioner has filed a said petition on 28 call for the wait.
Item 11 may be taken up after some time, Your Lordship.
You're just calling for the by the impugned order the 30/01/2024 caused by Learned Foreigners Tribunal number 1 in FT case number 4281 oblique D oblique 11 appoint the petitioner to be a foreigner for the filed on 6th of March.
Right.
May I please, Madam?
My lord, entry order is from page 66, my lord. The operative portion is from page 67, my lord.
Dated 29/11/2023. Otherwise, Fairness Tribunal passed. Wrong. Case number FT 692/2011. Foreigner of legal method. Enter April. Call for the records.
My lord,
Most modern.
lordship, my interim pay and
Will be considered, let the records come.
lordship, once may come only, my lord, page 22, my lord. This is the petitioner herself, my lord. She got vote in the year 1970, my lord. My lord, from the bottom, third one, my lord. Fourth Banu, my lord. This is the petitioner, my lord.
Page.
22, my lord.
Hmm.
And accept 2, my lord.
Hmm.
Serial number 60, Kot Banu. This is the petitioner, my lord. In the year of 1970, my lord, she cast vote, my lord. Her name appeared in the bottom list. My lord, subsequently, my lord, 1985 voter list. It is the it's not certified copy, my lord. There is also serial number 280, my lord. Her name is appeared, my lord, along with her husband.
Shows that after 1970, in which voter list her name figured?
My lord, subsequently, my lord, due to the river erosion, my lord,
Hmm.
her husband's family, my lord, shifted to the another village, my lord.
Hmm.
Due to that, my lord, some discrepancies arises, my lord.
Where is it? When the next voter list?
My lord. It is voter list of 2010, my lord.
So after 1970, in 2010, after 40 years.
Well, there is subsequently, my lord, she was marked as D, my lord. We could not be annexed this voter list.
That is the reason we are asking you, which is the
My
next
lord.
voter list.
My lord, there is some D, put D, my lord.
Don't worry, let the records come.
Lord, my lord. Oblige me.
Mr. Pai, do you have the brief of item number 42?
Yes, ma'am.
Come to page number 40.
40, ma'am.
Read 40, 41 and 42.
Page 40, madam.
Yes, you read it for yourself and tell us. Call for the record, sir. 1127 of Z of 2006. From the office of the Furnace. Because this was upon 01/07/2011. As well as the records of FT in bracket 2, case number. The FT within bracket 2, 870/2022. Furnace Tribunal. Number 2. Call for. Notice in this case was issued on 23/08/2020. Call for the record, which are legitimate. This one.
Record of both the case, ma'am.
You have read that?
Yes,
Case
ma'am.
40, 41, 42.
Yes. 41, my lord. 40, my lord. Yes, given description of the
What you have found after reading 40, 41?
my lord,
How the matter was proved?
my lord. Yes,
How the matter was proved?
my lord,
How the proceeding has linked herself with her father? Where is the finding?
that finding is not there.
Then. Where is that finding? That the procedure is daughter of.
Yes,
Sadek Ali.
the link is not, there is no link at all.
If the link has not been proved. We don't have a panel to review all these matters.
We have a panel, my lord.
What they are doing.
Actually, probably, my lord, this, some judgments has not been placed. These are not placed probably, my lord.
See, that's the reason we ask you to read 40, 41
Yes, ma'am.
and 42. If the proceeding cannot prove the link with his father or mother, his parents, it may so happen in a certain given case, parents might have expired, only the grandparents might be there.
Yes.
Even then, it is the duty of the prosecutor to prove the link, right?
That's true.
So that is the reason we ask you, where is the link? And if this kind of orders are coming from the tribunal, definitely. Orders to.
Order, I don't know, 45. Number. Kenapa tuh kalau exam itu? Exam itu.
Maybe so. Okay.
Become one. Mr. Ali, take your seat. Yes, Mr. Ali.
My lord, although the petitioner's father's name appeared in the voter list of 1965 and 70, my lord, my lord, there are some ground for my lord, suspect, my lord, because some incorrect, my lord, some wrong type mistake in the father's name, my lord. In this regard, my lord, we submitted an affidavit for correction, my lord, and that was exhibited also, my lord. Lordship may kindly see for a moment page number 26, my lord. Page number 26, my lord. Last line, my lord, para 5. Rohimuddin, Abdul Rahim, Wahizuddin, same and one person. And my lord, this was exhibited. My lord, actual name is Rohimuddin, but R could not be pronounced by the illiterate person. So in place of R, he said O, that was Ohimuddin and Ohim, like that, my lord. Lordship may kindly see thereafter. In my written statement, my lord, it is clarified before the tribunal, my lord, page number 30. Page number 30, my lord, para 4, the first line, second party's father is Wahizuddin, Rohimuddin, Abdul Rahim. It was stated, my lord. And my lord, the Lordship may kindly see the evidence of DW1, that is the petitioner, page number 45, my lord. Sorry, my lord, 43, my lord. Page number 43, paragraph 18. I have submitted an affidavit, correction of age and name of my father, and it was exhibited, exhibit 14. So Rohimuddin is his father, my lord, there is no doubt. Lordship may kindly see page number 45. Page number 45, para 3. That is the declaration of his father, Rohimuddin. Para 3, my lord, he stated, I am the father of above noted second party, Abdul Jubbar. So, my lord, the father is saying he is my son, and his name appeared in the voter list 1966, 70 onwards, my lord. And only for correction, incorrect, my lord, his name, my lord, he is declared as foreigner. Although, my lord, he submitted an affidavit, Gabura certificate like that, my lord, those were also exhibited, my lord. And father is saying he is my son, my lord. So, my lord, Lordship may consider, my lord.
Okay. See, there is no doubt that you are the son of Rahimuddin.
No.
But what is the link of Rahimuddin on the voter list of 1997
And 1997,
with one Mr. Ahimuddin, I think so. What was his name?
page number
One
13,
Ahizuddin.
page number 13, my lord.
One Ahizuddin of 1965.
1960, yes. 1965, for which, my lord, he was suspected, my lord. Ahizuddin and Rohimuddin is same and one person. That was, my lord, tried to probe, my lord, before the tribunal.
What? By an affidavit, is it possible under the law?
My lord,
Which law provides that by an affidavit you can
my
correct?
lord, actual name is Rohimuddin, but my lord, who enumerated or recorded by from the election office, my lord, he recorded, my lord, some mistake. So, my lord, in this regard, my lord, the affidavit was submitted, my lord. Affidavit was executed.
Of this Rahimuddin after 1965. Where is the voter list of Rahimuddin after 1965? Let us for the time being assume that Rahimuddin was Ahizuddin in the year 1965.
No.
Right?
My lord.
Where is this Rahimuddin?
Rahimuddin is at page
After
number,
1965.
yes, my lord. Lordship, page number 12, annexure C, my lord. Relevant portion 13, my lord. Rahimuddin, Rahimuddin at serial number 1 and serial number 3, Abdul Zubar, that is the petitioner.
In between 1965 and 1997.
My lord, every year, my lord, voter list are there, my lord, but certified copy could not be,
Well,
my lord, all the certified copy, my lord, could not be collected, my lord.
you do
Some,
not know, it's only you know. That is the reason asking where it is Rahimuddin. Even if we assume that Ahizuddin of the year 1965, aged about 65 years, should have been Rahimuddin, whose name figured in the voter list of 1997. Where is his name in the voter list after 1965, up to 1997?
in between, my lord, voter lists are,
For more than 31 years, where was he?
he was available and he was also casting. What, my lord, voter list, my lord, all the voter lists could not be collected, my lord. Because, my lord,
So was that any voter list
I-
you have exhibited that showing Rahimuddin after 1965?
my lord, I can produce,
Here he producing here will not do.
because, my lord, in the tribunal, we only
Whatever you
tried,
had documents.
in the
That's
tribunal,
placed
be-
before the tribunal, Mr. Ali.
before the tribunal, we only tried to prove the link, my lord. When the
How you
voter
have
list,
linked? How you have proved that link? That is
My
the
lord,
reason we are
when-
also asking. you.
when the name of the petitioner is found in the voter list, my lord,
Petitioner is the son of Rahimuddin, no doubt.
my lord.
There cannot be any doubt that the petitioner is son of Rahimuddin.
Right.
But how will you link
My lord, I could understand, my lord.
Rahimuddin
Yes, yes,
of 1997?
my lord.
name figuring-
After 1965 to 1997, in between any voter list,
Not in
recording,
between inquiry, has to be continuous. As per the Citizenship Act, right? So where is that Rahimuddin after 1965?
my lord,
Remember our
I-
cutoff date,
I
as you
have-
know, as you know, what is the cutoff date, right?
My-
Where was he in between?
my lord, in other documents, my lord, voter I card, Aadhaar card, PAN card, my lord,
We are not
Rahimuddin
on
is
that. So was Rahimuddin was available in India prior to 25th of March 1971. How will you show it?
My
What
lord,
was the document
but-
that you have placed before the tribunal? By making oral submission will not do.
my lord,
There has to be some reliable
Right.
and cogent evidence, right? How you have proved that before the tribunal? That the father of the proceeding, Mr. Rahimuddin, was available in the country even before 25th of March 1971. Where is that?
my lord, the petitioner was under impression that when my father's name is there, my lord,
No. Impression will not do before this court, right? As you know, we are only exercising statutory, finding out whether the order passed by the tribunal is good or bad. Only to exercise that, that is the reason how you have proved your link. Your father Rahimuddin was available in this country prior to 25th of March 1971. What was your proof before the tribunal?
my lord, I will try to produce, my lord, from 1965 to 1971, my lord. Voter by filing an affidavit, my lord.
That will not do here. Can we extend that? That is the reason. What was your proof before the tribunal? That's we are asking you.
My lord, we could not do that, my lord. The
Then
petitioner is
if
an
you could not prove that Rahimuddin existed in India
my lord,
before 25th of March 1971, where is the illegality in this order?
my lord, tribunal also did not ask me to produce all
Doesn't
those.
matter. It's your case. It is, you have to prove. That is why in the notice it was specifically mentioned. A show cause notice was issued to you to prove yourself to be a citizen of India.
We only tried to prove the link, my lord. Since my father's name is 1965, my
Sir,
lord.
That is the reason we are asking you simply, what are the materials or documents or exhibits, potent, reliable evidence that you have placed before the tribunal to show that your father, Rahimuddin, was available in the country of India prior to 25th of March 1971. Where is it?
Those documents should have been submitted, should have been exhibited before the tribunal, but but all the documents we could not
Now
apply it,
come
my
to
lord.
page number 9. Mr. Ali have left over. Ask him to come. Page number 9.
My lord. Voter list of 1965.
Is it acceptable in evidence? Under section 76 of the Evidence Act. Voter list is a public document, right?
My lord.
So you can produce a certified copy of the voter list. Sufficient. Now, what is the section 76 is? What should be the certified copy? What are the things missing here?
My lord, it is written here, my lord, true copy. True copy, but in the down below, in the down below, it is written, my lord, prepared by, compared by, signed by the authority, my lord. So
Take it out. Take it out. Read section 76 of the Evidence Act.
certified copies of public document. Every public officer having the custody of the public document, which any person has a right to inspect, shall give that person in demand a copy of the demand a copy of it on payment of the legal fees here. Therefore, to together with a certified with a certificate verified. Okay.
Mr. Payang,
Madam.
read for Mr. Ali. He might be having some difficulty.
Certified copies of public documents. Every public official having the custody of the public documents, which any person has a right to inspect, shall give that person a demand a copy of it on payment of the legal fees thereof, together with a certificate written at a foot of such copy that it is a true copy of such document or part thereof, as the case may be. And such certificate shall be dated and subscribed by such official, which his name and his official title, and shall be sealed whenever such officer is authorized by law to make use of seal, and such copies so certified shall be called certified copies.
So whether this continues, same thing as required under law.
Certificate to me. It should have been, my lord, written as certified to be true, certificate, but that is not there. But my lord, other formalities, my lord, down below, my lord, prepared by
Is
signature.
there any other formalities that have been prescribed? If those things are not available and these things are available, it can be considered as certified copy. Can you go beyond section 76?
No, my lord.
you have, just read the vernacular written statement. Para number 1. Page number 32.
My lord. প্রথম পক্ষর উক্ত গোচরের কোনো কারণ নাই।
No, no, first paragraph starts with 1.
এই মানে
দ্বিতীয়
দ্বিতীয় পক্ষর জন্ম দৰং জিলাৰ দলগাঁও থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত ককালভাঙি যোগী গাঁৱত আৰু তাতেই ডাঙৰ দীঘল হয়। Second,
What do you mean by that?
the second party was born Kokalbhangi Jugi Gaon and born and brought up there.
Born and read para 2.
দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ ডাঙৰ দীঘল হোৱাৰ পিছত পিতৃ মাতৃৰ লগত ককালভাঙি যোগী গাঁৱৰ পৰা একে জিলাৰ একে থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত দলগাঁও খুটিৰ ওচৰৰে গাঁৱত আহি বসবাস কৰে আৰু পিতৃ মাতৃৰ লগত ভোটাৰ তালিকাত নাম উঠাই 1997 এখন প্ৰথম ভোট দিয়ে।
So in which year you have shifted to Dolgaon Kuti?
It is not stated here, but only 1997 he casted first vote.
In 1997, he first vote. But you have seen that born and brought up at village
Kokalbhangi.
Kokalbhangi. And in the second para, you have said when you have grown up,
No.
দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ ডাঙৰ দীঘল হোৱাৰ পিছত, so when you have grown up, then along with your parents, you have shifted
Dolgaon
to-
Kuti. Thereafter shifted to Dolgaon Kuti.
You have not mentioned the year, right?
No, my lord.
Read the third paragraph.
দ্বিতীয় পক্ষই পিতৃ মাতৃৰ লগত 1997 পৰা বৰ্তমানলৈকে ভোট দি থকা সত্ত্বেও মাননীয় FT5 পৰা নোটিছ পাই এই লিখিত জবাব দিয়ে।
Very good. Now come to para 5, page number 34.
My lord. দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ para 5 দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ পিতৃ আইজুদ্দিন আৰু পিতৃৰ ডাঙৰ ভায়েক কৰিম আৰু দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ জেঠী আজিৰণ নেচাই 1965 74 নম্বৰ ওদালগুৰি বিধানসভা সমষ্টিৰ দৰং জিলাৰ ওদালগুৰি থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত চিধাগাঁৱৰ গাঁৱত ক্ৰম নম্বৰ 36 to 38 ঘৰ নম্বৰ 12 খণ্ড নম্বৰ 218 ভোট দিয়ে।
Then next paragraph.
দেন দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ পিতৃ নামৰ 1966 চনৰ লিগেসি ডাটা কোড নাম্বাৰ 600 আৰু উক্ত ডাটা ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি 2015 NRC ফৰ্ম ফিল আপ কৰিছে।
Then next.
দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ পিতৃ আৰু বৰদেউতাই 1997 চিধাখোৱা গাঁৱত ভোট দিছে। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষই 1997 68 নম্বৰ দলগাঁও বিধানসভা সমষ্টিৰ দৰং জিলাৰ দলগাঁও থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত দলগাঁও খুটি গাঁৱৰ পিতৃ মাতৃ ও নিজে ক্ৰম নম্বৰ 1, 2, 3 ঘৰ নম্বৰ 2 খণ্ড নম্বৰ 16 ভোট দিছে।
Then come to para 18 at page 38.
মোৰ জন্ম দৰং জিলাৰ দলগাঁও থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত ককালভাঙি যোগী গাঁৱত আৰু মোৰ পিতৃৰ জন্ম ওদালগুৰি জিলাৰ ওদালগুৰি থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত চিধাখোৱা গাঁৱত।
Now, is there any mention here in this written statement that the father of the proceeding shifted from Sidhakhwa village, this Hidhakhwa village?
মানে চিধাখোৱা
You know what is Hidha?
চিধা
Not Sidha. It is Hidhakhwa. Hidhakhwa is an interesting
Must be.
thing. Anyway. When from, on which year or when your father shifted from Hidhakhwa village to Kokalbhangi village? Is there any mention in the written statement?
My lord, may submit my lord, page number 40, only one paragraph, my lord. Para 3, my lord, is my deposition, my lord. Para 3, that I was born and brought up at village Kokalbhangi, Jugigaon. Thereafter, we shifted to nearest village Dolgaon Kuti under Dolgaon PS of Doram district. I was born on 1974 at village Kokalbhangi, Jugigaon.
Have you stated so that he born in nineteen
My
seventy-four
lord,
in
and
your
there-
written statement?
My lord,
Have
there-
that
there-
was then only in your evidence in affidavit, right?
my lord.
The rest. Where you have stated that you are born in the year 1974 in your written statement.
Uh, My lord, a written statement, my lord, it is not mentioned the date of or year of birth, my lord. But along with the written statement, my lord, the photocopy of the PAN card was annexed, my lord. And in that PAN
That
card,
the
my
PAN
lord,
card is not the voter, is not the correct, as you know, it has been settled. Is there any mention there?
no, my lord, regarding the date of birth or year of birth, my lord, only place of birth is there, my lord. But in the written statement, my lord, the age is there, my lord. Page number 39, Boyok 45. It was in 1919, 2019.
What is the name of the proceedings wife?
my lord, his wife.
You have stated in your written
No,
statement.
no, my lord. Wife, so far wife and
Hmm.
son and daughters are concerned, my lord, those were not, my lord. And father, grandfather, grandmother, my lord. I stated. Parents,
In the voter list, name of your wife,
yes, my lord. That is there, my lord. In the voter list, my lord, one of the voter list, page number 16, 2014 voter list,
Hmm.
Abdul Jabbar, thereafter serial number 4, Nur Jahan Khatun, page number 16.
Hmm.
Nur Jahan Khatun, my lord, is the wife.
page number 14.
Page number 16. Yes, page number 14, no, page number,
There is 2014 voter list,
yeah,
right?
2014 voter list.
Please come to your written statement.
My lord.
Page number 34. Para 4.
দ্বিতীয় পক্ষর পিতৃর নাম ওহিজউদ্দিন উর্ফে রহিমউদ্দিন উর্ফে আব্দুল রহিম, মাকর নাম বাসিরন নেসা, দাদার নাম ইয়াজউদ্দিন, নিজা ভাইকর নাম আব্দুল সাত্তার, নিজা ভনিয়েকর নাম অবিরন নেসা, নিজা পুত্রর নাম নজরুল নুর ইসলাম, আর তেওঁৰ ছোৱালীৰ নাম মাজেদা বেগম আৰু স্ত্ৰীৰ নাম নুরজাহান খাতুন। Yes, my lord.
You have named your wife.
My lord. My lord.
Please come to the affidavit of the projected father of the
My-
proceeding. Page number 45. Read para 4.
That my father's name, that my father's name late Aizuddin, mother's name Nurjahan Bibi, and elder brother's name late Korim Ali, and elder brother wife name late Aziron Nessa, and my wife name Mrs. Basiron Nessa, my son's name MD Abdul Jubbar, MD Abdul Sattar, daughter's name Obiron Nessa, and son's wife name Nur Jahan Khatun, and Sophia Khatun.
So 2 wives.
Not two years, my lord. This is, my lord, the affidavit of his father, my lord.
Okay.
My lord,
That is why saying that that the proceeding has 2 wives.
my lord. Two wives.
Son's wife name Mrs. Nurjahan Khatun and Sophia Khatun.
Oh, wife name Nur Jahan Khatun. Yes, my lord.
2 wives.
Two wives, my lord.
Have you stated in your affidavit, in written statement? Just now you have read
No, my lord. Only one name is there. Nur Jahan.
Nurjahan. The written statement that you have submitted was on, just see the previous page. Come to page number
44.
32. When did you file? Page number 32.
Page number 32. Page number 32, my lord.
When did you file?
I filed on 17/1/19.
2009. Now you come to the voter list of 2014 at page 14.
2014, page number 16, my lord.
Serial number 7. It is better in the next page if you see the wording.
My lord. Sophia Khatun, Abdul Sattar.
Sami Abdul Sattar.
Sattar.
Who is this Sophia Khatun?
Sattar is the brother of the petitioner.
Abdul Sattar is the brother of the petition.
Yes, my lord. Because, my lord, earlier name, my lord, Abdul Sattar, father's name Rohimuddin.
Hmm.
So Rohimuddin is also the father of the petitioner. Abdul Sattar and petitioner are the brother.
Hmm.
But some fact may be there, my lord, that after the death of his brother, my lord, his brother may marry.
Come to page number 13. Or you can come to page number 12.
13, yes.
Page 12,
Page 12, my lord.
voter list of,
Voter list of 1997, my lord.
very good. From which village?
From village number 3, Borwa. No, sir. My lord, Dolgaon Khuti, my lord.
Dolgaon Kuti,
My lord.
right?
Yes, my lord.
Page 13,
Page 13, Rohimuddin Basiron Nessa Abdul Jubbar,
Abdul Jubbar. Son of,
son of Rohimuddin.
read it correctly. Is it there, Rahimuddin?
No, my lord, it is a type mistake, my lord.
Who? Who's typing mistake? Where you have
It is
stated
the
so?
It is the type mistake of the authority, my lord, is typed out.
Where you have stated so? That is the reason we are asking you. Have you stated
No,
so?
my lord.
What is the age?
Yes, 22, my lord.
22. So, in the year 1997, what was the voter's age?
1997.
What was the voter's age? What is the age to vote? Eligible to vote?
18 years.
18 years. So, in the year 1997, the procedure was 22 years old.
My lord.
Why his name did not figure earlier?
But later on, my lord, his name is
His name could
recorded.
have been figured
Later
in
on,
the year 1993.
at the
right?
appropriate time, my lord, his name.
Where you
was
were in 1993? You,
1993. 99, number one, my lord, 1993, my lord, voter list is not available here, my lord. His name may be there, my lord. And another thing is that, my lord, his name was not recorded in the election office, my lord. Later on, my lord, after a few years, my lord, in 1997, his name is recorded,
see, read the language very properly
my lord.
at page 33, para 2.
My lord. Page 32, my lord. Pratham,
33,
my lord.
para 2.
দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ ডাঙৰ দীঘল হোৱাৰ পিছত পিতৃ মাতৃৰ লগত কঁকাল ভাঙি গাঁৱৰ পৰা একে জিলাৰ একে থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত দলগাঁও খুটি ওচৰৰে গাঁৱত আহি বসবাস কৰে আৰু পিতৃ মাতৃৰ লগত ভোটাৰ তালিকাত নাম উঠাই 1997 প্ৰথম ভোট দিয়ে।
So, after coming to the village Dolgaon Kuti,
দলগাঁও খুটি। Thereafter,
they inserted their names in the voter list of 1997. Right? Why not prior to that? Because you were eligible at that point of time. Why not?
very illiterate person, my lord, they did not know about about the formalities, my lord. So later,
Yes, Mr. Pine. Anything else?
When you see, there is only two voter lists. Number one is 1966 voter list.
That is not a voter list. That is not acceptable in evidence.
That is not acceptable. As per law, my lord. However, he is relying that voter list, my lord. And even though we do not accept, my lord, if we go to this voter list, then my lord, the next voter list of 1997. 97 is page 12, my lord. First of all, page 9, my lord, this is the voter list of 1965. This is in fact translated version of the voter list. This is not a certified copy of the voter list. This is a translated copy of the voter list. First of all, this cannot be accepted for two reasons, my lord. First of all, this is not a certified copy. Secondly, it is not for the purpose of not being certified by any official. Secondly, my lord, it is a translated copy of the voter.
No, there is no translated copy. It simply
Yes.
says true copy.
Yes, true. And the voter here, my lord, this is in the village of Sidakwa. The village of Sidakwa, and this is the voter here is Ahijuddin Mal. Now, if we accept that when Ahijuddin was there in 1965, my lord, who was son of Iyazuddin, who was aged about 65 years, and is so he is claiming this Ahijuddin is the father of the petitioner, and this Ahijuddin in 1997 become my lord Rahimuddin. And age also decreased from 65 to 58 years. In a different village. Page 12, if we compare page 9 and 12, my lord, even though it is, if page 9 is not admissible, suppose if we accept that this was there, one Ahijuddin was there, but this Ahijuddin and this my lord, Rahimuddin is not the same person. Because the villages are different, the name is different, father name is different, age is different. Age in fact is decreasing. In 1965, he was 65, and 1997 he is 58. Drastically different. And the other voters were in page 13. The other
My lord,
Basiron Nessa,
I am taking leave 2 minutes.
Basiron Nessa and Jabbar. Basiron Nessa was not there in 1965. So this Ahijuddin and Rahimuddin is not the same person. Even though petitioner established by this voter list of 1997 that he is the son of this Rahimuddin of 1997, the existence of Rahimuddin in the Indian soil prior to 1971 was not there. It is the only point we decided here. And there is no document of this Rahimuddin prior to 19. Apart from other aspect, my lord, this is the only issue. If Rahimuddin's appearance in Rahimuddin was there, existed in India prior to 1971, that could have been a different case. But existence of Rahimuddin itself is not there. And the, my lord, as per the Citizenship Act and the Samananda Sunwal 1 para 26 clearly says the father's existence, citizenship of the father is very much necessary, and it has to be proved. Citizenship of the father as well as if necessary, in some case grandfather is also necessary. So in the case, instant case murder, the petitioner fails to establish that his father is a citizen, and being son of that father, he is also a citizen. He is picking up this brutalities of 1965 of one Ahijuddin, son of Iyazuddin of village Sidakwa, and yet picking up of a document is not too much. That has to establish by bringing some evidence that Ahijuddin who is in 1965 voter list is my father. And the suitable court in Malad judgments, number of judgments says Malad that has to be established by bringing documentary evidence. And the petitioner, in one of the judgment, it is said, Malad, it is also said, there should be Malad, even the probability that it leads to some other person, that may also be proved, my lord, that it is not lead to some other person. That the Ahijuddin is someone else. It is not the someone else, that has also to be proved, my lord. That is, my lord, I am to that extent, my lord, on that point, your lordship may kindly see the judgment, my lord, 2019 1 GLT 784.
Just a minute. Two thousand
19 1 GLT 784.
What is the proposition?
Proposition is that, my lord, I'm reading this. This is some important issues are there, my lord, from para 11 to para 16. Because burden of proof under section 9. And what is burden, my lord? What is to be proved? Para 11 says, although section 9 of the Foreigners Act, my reading, my lord, from the judgment act slowly, my lord, 1946.
Just a minute, let us go. Para,
From para 10 onwards, your lordship may kindly see. Para 10, may I read, my lord?
yes,
From a reading of section 9, it appears that honors of proving that the proceedee is not a foreigner or is not a foreigner of such particular class or description as the case may be, still lie upon the person, notwithstanding anything contained in the Indian Evidence Act. In other words, the burden of proof that the proceedee is not a foreigner would lie upon the proceedee himself or herself. In a proceeding under the Foreigners Act 1946, in order to discharge such burden, if the proceedee relies upon a particular given person whose name appears either in voter list of 1966 or 70, or whose name appears in a particular land document pertaining to the said period, or relies upon any other acceptable and admissible document which establishes the existence of such person within the territory of India during the relevant period of time, that is prior to 25/3/1971, the discharge of the burden of proof of such required under section 9 of the Foreigners Act 1946 would be that proceedee concerned would have to prove his lineage to the particular person whose name appears in the aforementioned documents pertaining the period of prior to 25/3/1971. So here in this case, my lord, the Ahizuddin is appearing prior to 1971, not this my lord, Rahizuddin, Rahimuddin, not the Rahimuddin. So he has to establish to live with Ahizuddin. Now, para 11 says, although section 9 of the Foreigners Act 1946 provides that the honors of proving that the proceedee is not a foreigner would lie upon such person, notwithstanding anything contained in the Indian Evidence Act 1972. But in order to understand the concept of burden of proof, we must still rely upon the concept of burden of proof as provided under section 101 of the Evidence Act of 1872. Section 101 of the Evidence Act 1872 provide as follows: whenever whoever desires any court to give judgment as to any legal right or liability depends on the existence of facts, he asserts must prove the facts, those facts exist. My lord, he is saying that his father was existed in India prior to 71 and he is the son of that person. So he has to prove that there's existence. The concept of burden of proof as provided under section 101 of the Indian Evidence Act is that whoever desires any court to give judgment as to any legal right or liability depends on the existence of fact, which he asserts must prove that facts which exist. Facts exist. In the case at hand, under section 9 of the Foreigners Act 1946, the existence of fact which should be required to prove by proceeding is that the concerned person whose name appears in any of the aforementioned public documents or the documents relied upon by the proceeding alone is the lineage of the proceeding. That, madam. As a corollary, any evidence being laid in discharge of such burden of proof, we should indicate the lineage of the proceeding to a person merely having the same or similar name as that of the person appearing in the public documents relied upon, in our view, would not be sufficient to discharge of the burden of proof to establish the existence of the fact that the person named in the referred public documents constitute the lineage of the proceeding. In order to discharge the complete burden of proof, the nature of purport of the evidence must be such that the lineage is established not only with respect to the person whose name appears in the public document relied upon, but at the same time rules out the possibility of it being linked to any other person having a same or similar name.
So it has to be definite.
Yes, my lord, it has to be definite. It may, if it leads somewhere, my lord, but it may lead to someone else, it will not do. So here is the case, one Ahizuddin was here, and he is saying, my lord, his father is Ahizuddin, but he has not proved any documents. Here the 1997 voter list shows Rahimuddin. That must only matter. And other aspects, my lord, that my learned friend is arguing that, my lord, the contention.
Yes.
Contention of the, my lord, certified copy, the contention of the, my lord, the voter list were not the, my lord, other mistakes committed by the enumerator. And so my submission is that, my lord, if they're relying on the voter list or particular documents, then let them rely the documents fully. If they are not relying, they have to abandon it, my lord. They cannot, my lord, rely on those portion of the documents which is in their favor and abandon those portions which are not in their favor. That is, my lord, Basiran Bibi has settled that position. 2018 1 GLT, my lord, 372. That position is settled, my lord. The last page it is in this case, my lord. It is clearly said that petitioner cannot insist on that only that portions of the voter list which are in her favor should be accepted, and those portions going against should be overlooked. This is not how a document is to be put forward as a piece of evidence. As the voter list are adduced by them as evidence, so it has to be relied. So from the reading, my lord, apart from the defective certified copy, even though we cannot, in fact, we cannot accept that document as a valid document. But if we accept for the purpose of argument also, my lord, argument sake also, my lord, that the lineage link along with that portion of 1965 is not true. And the in-between period from 1965 to, my lord, 1997, there is no voter list at all. And the voters, my lord, other voters are also not there in the both the voter list, neither in the 1977 and 1965, nor in the, my lord, 1997. Nobody is a common voter in both the voter list. So in that aspect, my lord, it is the petitioner fails to prove that he is the son of I-15 of 1965, whose name was there in 1965 voter list. And so petitioner has not committed any wrong, my lord, by giving this opinion, because he exhibited, tribunal has committed no wrong, my lord. Here is only exhibitions where, my lord, 1951 NRC voter list, NRC document, that cannot be accepted. Final Khatian of Sakota, that is in,
That is
that-
afterwards.
yes,
2000
afterwards.
something.
yes, certified copy of electoral rule 1966. In fact, that was not electoral rule, but even though we accept that that was there, my lord, that is in some other name, not the father's name. Certified extract copy of 70, that is not there. And my lord, this one issue was there, my learned friend was arguing that he has filed an affidavit to say that I'm the same and the father is the same and one person, and their names are, my lord, wrongly written. To the effect, my
That
lord,
is
it
settled
is,
by the apex court.
yet it is settled by the apex court in numbers of cases that, my lord, it is not an evidence the self-swearing affidavit, promoter affidavit is not a my lord, evidence. So it cannot be accepted as evidence. My lord. So that's the only case, my lord. So my humble prayer is that the opinion may not be disturbed, my lord. Here at this is this man. That's my lord.
Not Mr. Ali, for repetition. J. Pang, Attorney Counsel from Department. Two and six. AIL, Stanley Council, Election Commission, for the responsibility. Future might sell Senego. Arguments conducted. Obligers.
Lordship may take this matter after some time. Okay.
Yes, Mr. Dev.
My lord. My lord, in this case, the petitioner's grandfather's name is Khudur Sorkar, alias Sheikh, and his grandmother's name is Hausi Bibi. Petitioner's father's name is late Rohim Baksh Sheikh, differently, my lord. Rohim Baksh Sheikh, Rohim Baksha. So, my lord, the findings of the petitioner father says two wives. First wife is my lord Gulejan Nessa, first wife. And the second wife is Chandraban Nessa. Chandraban Nessa alias Chandraban Bibi. She is the mother of the petitioner, my lord. Second wife is the mother of the petitioner, my lord. So, my lord, the findings of the learned tribunal is that there is anomalies of name in the voter list. Number one. Number two, that linkage has not been proved. These are the two findings, my lord. arrived at by the
How
landed
you have
tribunal,
proved the
my lord.
linkage? How you have proved the linkage?
My lord. And this kindly see, my lord, the voter list. 66 voter list, my lord. Rahim Baksh Sheikh is the father. And Sonravan Nessa Bibi is the mother of the petitioner.
Good.
My lord, here, the age is not mentioned, my lord. That's why this document has been not doubted by the landed tribunal. Age is not mentioned, my lord. But the name is there. And my lord, thereafter, kindly see the 1985 voter list. 85 voter list, my lord. Sonravan Bewa. Bewa, after the husband's death, she become Bewa. Sonravan Bewa, Amjad Ali is the son, my lord. Amjad Ali, Sharbanu Bibi is the wife of petitioner. So, my lord, Sonravan Bewa is the 66 voter list. Her name is there with his father. And the petitioner's name is there, my lord, with his mother, Amjad Ali.
So you are relying on this particular voter list
My lord.
of according to you, 1977.
So, until 85.
No, 85 will come later.
And my lord, 1977. 1977 voter list is, my lord. Yes, 1977 voter list is also there. Sonravan Bewa and Amjad Ali.
So you are relying on 1977 voter list
77, 85 voter list.
and 85 voter list to show
My
that
lord.
you are the son of
Sonravan Bewa and Rahim Baksh. Sonravan Bewa is the wife of Rahim Baksh Sheikh.
Hmm.
And Rahim Baksh Sheikh is my father.
Now, please come to page number 27.
27.
It's 29, I think, 29.
My lord. 29. 29, my lord.
This is the voter list of
77.
77.
77.
Is it a voter list of 1977 or 1970-71?
My lord, Assam is,
Because in
Assam
the,
is,
in the rubber stamp, it is 1970-71. Somebody has written as 1977, but there is no signature on that.
my lord, it is struck off. 77, 71 is struck off.
Somebody has struck off and somebody has inserted 1977, but there is no signature.
Somebody, my lord, who has issued the certificate copy,
Who has issued the certified copy?
my lord, certified election officer, letter, certified to be true copy, election officer compared by
So
senior
you are
assistant.
relying on this. Your basis is this, right, Mr. Day?
My lord,
Very good. Now let's see. Sonravan Bewa, let us assume that his husband is Rahim Baksh Sheikh. Tirota, age is 35.
35.
Then one Amjad Ali,
Yes,
father name is Rahim Baksh.
yes,
Then Muni means male, age is 25. Is it
25.
possible?
So age is, anomaly is there, my lord.
Age is inevitable. So
Yeah.
if you are saying this, we cannot pick up this and that.
No,
So this difference is only of 10 years.
my lord,
A lady of 35 years cannot have a son of 25 years.
25 years, yes, my lord. Can you see, my lord,
Unless
80, 85 voter,
Unless adopted. That's what
Right.
I'm not saying.
my lord.
Now, what we are saying down below. Then on that particular voter list at page 29.
Page 29.
Page 29,
Yes, my lord.
that's in vernacular. Bishesh Drostobya, there is a seal again. উপরুক্ত শিতানবিলাক যথাক্ৰমে ক্ৰমিক নম্বৰ, ঘৰৰ নম্বৰ, নিৰ্বাচকৰ নাম, পিতা, মাতা বা স্বামীৰ নাম, মুনিহীনে তিৰোতা, আৰু is it 70 or 77?
77.
Again, there is no signature.
77 চনৰ
1 জানুৱাৰীত আনুমানিক বয়স.
বয়স.
This is one. Mr. Kuli,
It is corrected by the
what is
office, my lord.
value of this certified copy at this Page number 24. What is the basis of this page number 24? Can you tell us?
They should have given an initial also.
Huh?
At least they should have given an initial. If they have
Do not know. Page 24. Please turn to page 25. Down below. Page 25.
Yes, Lord.
এয়া ভোটাৰ তালিকাৰ অসমীয়া সংস্কৰণৰ শুদ্ধ ইংৰাজী অনুবাদ.
Yes, Lord.
This is through English translation of Assamese version of certified electoral roll.
Yes, Lord.
What is the basis? Whether it can be accepted in evidence?
Basically, they are issuing certified copy as in this format, Your Lordship.
No, whether it's acceptable in evidence, that's what we are asking you. Is not this particular copy is required to be proved?
The contents of the Lordship.
Look at down below.
Lordship.
This certificate is digitally signed
Signed.
and therefore needs no physical
Signature.
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 Then
Authenticity of certificate can be verified from the website, Your Lordship.
Website.
http://www.assam.gov.in. Your Lordship. Certificate verification. Then if this QR code that is given, Your Lordship, in the left-hand side corner, if this scan even the mobile, this voter list comes, Your Lordship, in the phone, Your Lordship.
try it out with your mobile.
It is a true copy, the one they have received from the copy. It is given away. It is
No, whether this has any authenticity in evidence. Scan it and find it out whether it's correct or not.
Yes.
Mr. Payang, find out. From mobile. Link it. Is it coming?
So yes, the scan is coming, authentication but is not opening because the net slow is, it is slow, Your Lordship. It is, the net is, internet is slow here, it is because it's not getting downloaded.
Zero virus.
Not slow.
My. No, at all.
E-district portal. Location of his.
It's not coming. Anyway,
Like the QR code it is given in our High Court judgment website. That is, when you scan it, the judgment comes in the code. So now this is a digital signature along with this QR code comes in. Or you can not should direct me, then I will obtain the instruction whether it's a certificate copy.
let us hear Mr. Day first. Yes, Mr. Day.
My lord. Thereafter, my lord, my one witness, DW2, my lord, he is the cousin brother of the petitioner. You also examined, my lord, DW2, Akhtar Hussain. But his evidence has not been considered, my lord, not at all discussed in the order, my lord. DW2, my lord, page 58. He was also cross-examined, but his evidence has not been discussed in the order, my lord. So this impugned order is also bad in law, my lord, for not considering of the evidence of DW2, my lord. And he clearly stated that the petitioner is the son of Rahim Baksh. Page 58, my lord, evidence of DW2.
Just a minute. Where is the voter list of 1966?
Voter list of 1966, my lord. at page, my lord, page 24.
Where is your written statement?
Written statement, my lord, page 44.
What is the name of your grandfather?
Grandfather's name is Khudu Sarkar.
Hmm?
Khudu Sarkar.
Where you have stated?
My lord, paragraph 3.
Hmm.
Paragraph 3, my lord, line number. May I read, my lord, paragraph 3. The opposite party is a genuine citizen of India by birth. He born and brought up at village Salakura, and the opposite party's forefathers also born and brought up in the same village Salagura. Opposite party grandfather's name is Khudu Sheikh and the grandmother's name is Hausi Bibi. Both are died before the born of opposite party. Opposite party's father were 4 brothers, namely Abdul Jabbar, Rahim Baksha, Ashiruddin Sheikh, Ghaffur Ali Sheikh. OP's mother's name Chandrabhan. They all are died. Opposite party were 5 brothers and 2 sisters. Their names were Ansar Ali Sheikh, deceased, Zamsher Sheikh, deceased, Shamsher Ali Sheikh, deceased, Amjad Ali Sheikh, OP, Basiron Bibi, Toshiron Bibi, Munaf. Opposite party's wife's name Sohor Banu Bibi. Opposite parties have 4 sons and 1 daughter, namely Sohor Ali, Monar Ali, Somesh Ali, Asif Ali, Anjuara Khatun. Opposite party got married at village Naskara, and his elder son Sohor Ali born at village Naskara, and the opposite party's other son and daughters born and brought up at village Salagura. OP have 2 mother, Golejan Nessa, stepmother, Chandravan Bibi, Elias Chandravan Nessa Bibi, biological mother.
So the proceedee and your projected cousin brother, right?
Akhtar is not projected, my lord. He is the own cousin brother, my lord. Akhtar Hussain, DW2, my lord.
Say that name of the grandfather is
Khudu Sarkar. Khudu Sheikh alias Khudu Sarkar. Sometimes it is Sheikh, it is written Sheikh, sometimes it is Sarkar. From the NRC 1951 onwards and the 62 Khotian also, my lord, there. name of the petitioner's father, my lord. 62 Khotian.
Mr. Fine. We'll come back to you later. Interesting note. Mr. They have clarified that both the proceeding and the projected brother of the proceeding has said the name of the grandfather of the both of them. It's Kudu Sarkar, right? You verify the records. Some interesting facts is coming out. You go through the entire records, but at first look at this letter. Mr. Ali, you can also go through because this is from your side. It is not what they are projecting, what Mr. Dave, the petitioner and the proceedee and his projected brother is proceeding. It is somebody else. And has been clarified. So it is not the case of the petitioner or his projected brother that their grandfather. They said Kutu Sarkar. You clarified from the written statement that the affidavit in evidence or evidence in affidavit of DW1, the proceeding DW2, his projected brother, it is Kudu Sarkar. But the notificate this particular communication clearly reflects who is he. It is not Kudu Sarkar, it is Kundu Sarkar. No. You verify the records, everything is there. And tell us later. We'll come back at 2. Interesting. Tinta roti.
And sometimes Songovindu কাজ করে। Songovindu কাম করে কেন দেখি না। বন্ধু আর বন্ধু। Songovindu থাকে। Hello. Hello. Hello.
একে ব্যস্ত করছে
চেম্বাৰলৈ কিয় লতা শিকলি My lord, from the LCI, it clears, my lord, the report, my lord, it says the grandfather is Kundu Sikh.
Grandfather is Kundu Sikh.
Kundu Sikh in the, my lord, voter list of 1966. The father of Rohim Box Sikh is Kundu Sikh. It's wrongly written as Kudu Sikh. So,
But what the petitioner and the projected brother of the petitioner
Sikh
accept it as a Kudu
Kun-
Sarkar,
Kudu Sarkar.
not as a Kundu, because
Yes.
the real name is Kundu Sarkar.
Kundu
Kundu Sikh.
Sarkar. Kundu Sarkar. Kundu Sarkar.
Kundu Sarkar. It is not their case.
Yes.
Now, if this voter list of 70 and thereafter,
Yes.
because in one voter list, I think so it is with Rohim Box,
Rohim Box.
which they have said in that particular letter itself,
Yes, my lord, that the.
if that is the petitioner's projected father is named there. But only it is not the case of the petitioner or the projected brother of the petitioner that their grandfather was Kudu, because they have categorically said it is Kudu, not Kundu.
Yes. They are categorically saying, my lord, they are Kudu. And
Here it is Kundu.
yes, 1970, my lord,
Hmm.
Kundu Sarkar.
Hmm.
With Chandraban Nesa Bibi, Kundu Sarkar. Rohim Box Sikh, his father is Kundu Sarkar. So it is in, my lord, that more interestingly, my lord, I have from the records, one thing, my lord, I'm unable to understand. The para 3, my lord, of the WS, it is in, my lord, WS. In para 3 WS, my lord, WS was filed on 27/12/2018. And there, my lord, one thing was left out, and that was corrected letter, which is very important for the purpose of this case, my lord. In the WS, my lord, it is in page 43, my lord, it is also in record. This has, my lord, this is something very on page 44, my lord.
Hmm.
That is the WS, para 3, my lord. Last part, your lordship may kindly say next page, my lord.
Hmm. Handwritten.
Handwritten.
Hmm.
OP had 2 murders. Number 1, Guljan Nesa, stepmother, and Chandraban Bibi, number 2. Is Chandraban Bibi, Chandraban Beva, Chandraban Nesa Bibi alias. This is in bracket biological mother. Now, this part was missed out while filing this WS in 27/12/2018.
Hmm.
This was never there, my lord. Only this was added later on.
But the signature of the concern, whose signature ever is there,
Yes.
is also
Yes,
telling
yes,
you the person
yes.
who filed that case.
Who filed it case? Now, my lord, I have no problem on this, my lord, this may be done. Now, again, the same, my lord, the evidence was filed thereafter, my lord. Evidence was filed on, my lord. Evidence was filed on 2/3/2019. Next, my lord, page 51, my lord, may kindly see. And I have gone through the original. There are also same mistake committed after 3 months,
They have added later.
my lord. There is no judicial order, my lord, for correction.
Then we should leave out that. If there is no judicial order,
Yes.
we should leave that.
For correction of this, there is no judicial order. What my lord,
In the evidence where you are reading,
my lord, page 51, my lord.
51,
51, same correction by same manner, my lord.
same person.
Same person and same handwriting. My lord, but it's same paper. In fact, if I go through the, my lord, record, my understanding will be, it will be the same page, my lord, same pen also. The ink is same, my lord. So this is afterthought. My understanding is probably
No,
this
no,
was.
that is definitely has to be.
Yes, because yes, I understood, my lord, it was missed out in the WS. So it could be corrected later on. But same thing has been missed out in the evidence after 3 months. which is corrected later on by them.
See the Wakalatnama? See the Wakalatnama file there. Whether the person's signature who has signed it is there or not.
He filed, my lord. Wakalatnama, his name is there.
No, this person who's put his signature.
Yes. He's there, my lord. He filed, in fact, he filed the WSN evidence. Both the evidence and
Not,
WSN.
not, the concerned council who have.
Yes,
corrected.
his name is there, my lord. His signature is there.
But he is not the filing person because it is,
He is filed it. He's the advocate for him, my lord. He is the advocate. No.
did nothing.
Why I have, my lord, my doubt is in this, in that point, my lord, why I'm pointing out that point issue. Because the issue here entirely depends upon that only, my lord. Because the petitioner himself said in his evidence, my lord, your lordship may. Yes. In his evidence, your lordship may kindly see in cross, I'm not only in evidence, cross part, my
Page
lord.
56.
Page 56. Your lordship may kindly see the vernacular at page 57. Page 56 translation is something, some extent different. Because in page 56, the translation is, we are 7 brothers and sisters. This is not the language in the, my lord, page 57. Page 57, he says, my lord.
You start from reading more deuter mrityu.
Yes. More deuter mrityu 1970 চনত পিছত হয়। More deuter
No. More জন্মত
জন্মত সলখাৰ
জন্ম হয় চলকুৰাম শিলমাৰী গাঁৱত।
শিলমৰা গাঁৱত। গ্ৰেণ্ডফাদাৰৰ নাম স্বয়ংশো
খুদু শেখ।
কুদু শেখ আৰু গ্ৰেণ্ডমাদাৰৰ নাম ফাউচি বিবি। মাৰ নাম চন্দ্ৰভানু আৰু সতীয়া মাৰ নাম গুলজান বিবি।
স্টেপ মাদার।
গুলজান। দেউতাৰ 4 ভাই নাম আব্দুল সয়ঞ্চো 9 মাইলত। নিজৰ ভাই ভনী 7 জন। So this part, নিজৰ ভাই ভনী 7 জন নাম, he has given their name. This is Ansar Ali probably. Somesh Ali. Shamsher Ali. This is Somesh Ahmed. Amjad, yes. Shamsher, Amjad, Monaf Ali are brothers. Are brothers. And Basir Ali probably.
আৰু বছিৰণ
3 ভাই মৃত। So 3 brothers had died. So my contention was that, my lord, he himself said he has 7 নিজৰ ভাই 7 জন. He has 7 brother and sister of his own. Now, from the voter list of 1977, if we see page 77 voter list, page 28, my lord. From this conspiracy, my lord, that the Chandraban Bewa is just 10 years older than the petitioner. The Amjad Ali. He is projecting this Chandraban Bewa as his mother. And according to him, my lord, he had 3 brothers, elder brothers, who had died. And if he had any elder brothers, my lord, 3 elder brothers, so is it possible? Biologically, it is not possible. So if it is not possible,
They are deceased.
they are deceased. Obviously, they're deceased. But the mother should give birth to those 3 children. So is it possible for for any human being? That is the issue here. And this point, my lord, later on, what my understanding is, when this point came out, then the WSN evidence was corrected. that we had
In the cross examination also he assisted.
cross-examination, that is
Yes.
later part.
Then
When it comes out, my lord, I could not understand. In WS, it can be wrong. In evidence, why it was not added in the original, my lord, evidences. And my understanding is, my lord, what can be the and it is, my lord, settled position that without, my lord, judicial order, written statement cannot be amended. The written statement is amended. Evidence is amended. And this Chandravan Deva, my lord, if we accept this Chandravan Deva was there in 1970, from the voter list of 1970, page 7, page 26, page 27, my lord. Chandravan Bibi was 29 in 1970 also. So it is not contradictory, my lord. 1970, Chandravan Bibi was 29, and 1917, she is 35. So it is right, my lord. Chandravan Bibi was 35 and 29. Her age is correct. There is no dispute on that. Only now, my understanding is that, my lord, possibility which could not be ruled out from the documents of these documents, my lord. The Amjad Ali was later on adopted, probably by the Chandravan Bibi Deva, only for the purpose of, my lord, linkage or citizenship. He is not the biological son. So this Amjad Ali may have, my lord, migrated from East Pakistan later, and he has adopted Chandravan Beva as
where
his
from,
daughter.
without any pleadings, my lord, these things are coming.
Not
Adopted,
that is
where
a
from it is
possibility
adopted,
which
my
may
lord.
not be ruled out.
How can be? Of
Which
the
may not be
presumption.
ruled out. Because this from 1977 voter list, it is confirmed that Chandravan Beva is not the biological mother of Amjad Ali. That's why it is. The possibility is that one. That cannot be ruled out. He must be adopted. If adopted, when adopted? From the, it is the only 1977 voter list where from this Chandravan Beva and Amjad Ali is together. And neither in the WS nor in the evidence, my lord, he has stated that his elder brothers are the son of this, my lord, his stepmother. He has not stated anything about that. Yes, he has said, in fact, in cross-examination, he said he has 7 own brothers and sisters.
Just pass on the record. It will happen, Mr. Payang. The council is very smart. All these corrections were made after 3rd September 2019. By that later on 3rd September 2019, the election officer forwarded the voter list. Authenticated. It's in that communication. So, in the voter list of 1970, one Sandrabhan Nessa Bibi existed. Now, if you read his written statement at page 44, he clearly stated at paragraph 3.
Yes.
OP's mother name is Sandrabhan, in between. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth line, ninth line. Paragraph number 3.
Yes.
Mother name Sandrabhan. My underline put it.
Yes, ma'am. OP's mother name Sandrabhan.
Right?
Yes.
Nowhere thereafter it is that, then suddenly it has been changed. Later, if you see at para 3,
Sandrabhan Bibi.
OP have two mothers.
Yes, madam.
One is Golejan Nessa, stepmother.
Yes, ma'am.
Two, Sandrabhan Bibi, alias Sandrabhan Nessa Bibi. This has come because this particular voter list of 1970 was forwarded
My lord,
by the election officer. They better keep quiet.
okay.
Everything will go.
I will submit, my lord.
Everything will go. Please keep quiet. From record, you could not show when you have given this 1970 voter list.
Well,
It is everything is on record.
I will submit.
In 1985 voter list, an authenticated voter list by the election officer, one Sandrabhan Beowa was there.
85, yes.
It is available in the record. In 1977, again Sandrabhan Beowa. But what is interesting is, in 1977 voter list, there are two other persons in the same house which the proceeding did not state. The same house had two other persons in the 1977 voter list. In the voter list of (1970), it has been shown as 229, 230, and 231. If you come to page number 27.
Yes.
239, it has been shown as 229, 230, and 231.
Yes.
Page number 27, that's the certified copy. Let us assume it's a certified copy, photostat of the certified copy. But the voter list clearly reflects it is 429, 330, and 231. It is not 229 and 230. It is 429, 330, and 231 serial number. What are the documents annexed by the petitioner before the tribunal? Petitioner did not annex this voter list of 1970 or thereafter. Look at his affidavit in evidence. Page number 53. Where from he will get it when he did not submit all these documents? That's why we ask Mr. Day to keep quiet. Otherwise, he'll be in trouble. Certified copy of voter list of 2010. Anyway, to start with exhibits. Page number 51. Paragraph 3. Exhibit 1 is the
NRC.
copy of the NRC. Para 4. Exhibit 2 is the copy of the final Khotia. Exhibit 5. Sorry, para 5, next page, page 52. The copy of the voter list of 1966, annexed to the petitioner. This petition he has annexed. Exhibit 4, 1970 voter list. Paragraph 7, 1977 voter list. He has annexed here all this. Then after exhibit 5, what is written there?
Which will be applied for and will be submitted at the time of hearing.
Now just see his 77 voter list. Page number 29.
Yes. This was obtained, my lord. Prior to date, 8 to 19.
These 77 voter lists have 2 other names in that particular house. With the age difference of 10 years.
Yes.
Then come to the next. 6 is the voter list of 1985 that has been exhibited here. Just see here. '85 voter list you have.
85 voter list. Page
Then page number 32.
32.
Then 97 voter list. Page number,
34.
not a certified copy. Actually.
This was not exhibited. This is annexed. Annexure is the 97 voter list. Page 52. Annexure.
Then annex of B and C.
Yes.
Voter list of 2010 and others.
Yes.
Now please come to page number 30. On the right hand side, house number 17.
Yes.
There are 4 names.
Chandravan Deva.
Hamzat Ali, Gujrok Ali, Zuhair Sheikh, Zoigan Bibi.
On 16/3/2019, the petitioner submitted his evidence in affidavit
Yes, ma'am.
without any documents. That's the order. In the orders, it reflects that. Nineteen seventy certificate. Mana? 19. Thirty-four, 19. Can you go over? 2004. Mhm. Total list of 1970, page number 27. Yesterday, give us the
Well,
date.
Rahim Bog Sheikh,
What is the date on which you have received it?
my lord, date is not distinct, my lord, in the original copy, my lord. In the photostat copy, it is not.
Whatever is available, which you tell us.
9/10/2012, perhaps, my lord, it is.
Hmm?
It is ready, copy ready. 9/10/2012.
9/12/2012, then when did you apply?
No, my lord, yes.
Hmm?
He applied on 29/9/2012. 2012 or 22, my lord, it is not distinct, my lord, here. The certificate copy of my lord in the record, perhaps it is clear. Maybe 22, my lord. Not 29,
Yeah, and it's
29.
some police inquiry. Mr. Pine
My lord.
and Mr. Day,
My lord.
from the record, to compare page 38 to 44. Forward. From the record, you compare 38.
48 to 42.
Mr. Pai, you must see and then so you can.
This 38 of my lord record.
38 to 44.
38.
Thirty-eight is the 1966
66
voters. Then look at 39. Look at 40, 41, 42, then 44. Look at 40.
19.
Then turn, the next voter is, next certificate, yes, then see. Turn it and then see the next. Look at page 44 also. Yes, what is available there? And where it is, something is not available. Accepting the 1970 voter list, the certified copy which they have said, that stamp paper is fake. All other stamp paper has signatures on the backside. The 1970 voter list certified copy doesn't have any signature of the stamp paper. Everywhere you will find, excepting the 1970. Even the land document, check it out. Land document, backside there is a seal and signature. Got it.
Oh my God.
Mr. Day,
My lord.
page number 34.
Page 34. Page 34, my lord.
At serial number 524, what is the name?
524. Chandrabanu Bewa.
Chandra,
Chandrabhanu Bewa.
page number 33, serial number 534.
Page 33. Chandrabhan. My lord, it is typing mistake in the English version.
There is a reason behind it. From then, previous page, page 32.
Page 32.
Serial number 135.
Chandrabhan Bewa.
And that is why in the next voter list, it was made
Chandrabhan Bewa.
Chandrabhan in
Chandrabhan
typing.
Bewa.
So
Chandrabhan
in
Bewa.
original it is Chandra Bhanu.
524. Rohim box, my lord. Father,
We are not on
husband.
Rohim box. We are talking about Chandra Bhanu.
Chandrabhanu, yes, my lord. Chandrabhanu Bewa.
Then who has signed this certificate? to be
Wife
true?
of Rohim box.
Who has written, who has certified this copy? This page 33.
Page 32.
Who has signed this? Certified to be true copy.
Certified to be. Oh, my lord, it is not eligible, my lord.
Whose signature? Who is the filing?
Election officer.
Page number 33.
Page 30.
Whose signature it is in the page number 30?
33. Page,
Whose signature? Page number 33.
page 33, my lord. This type copy, my lord.
Down below.
Certified to be true copy. Election officer. No, my lord, no name is there, my lord. This is the photocopy, my lord, 97. This is photocopy.
All annexes to be, when it is typed
My lord,
or given a photocopy, it has to be,
my lord.
the seal has to be there, certified to be true copy. Whose signature? This is the council.
My lord, it is filed by Ismail Hawk, my lord, my
You
junior.
don't know whose signature it is. You are leading him, right? When you adopt a policy not acceptable by the court of law, you have to face the consequences. When it is Chandrabhanu, you must write Chandrabhanu. Why you have made up your own Chandrabhan?
Certified to be true copy.
Because in the previous voter list, it was Chandrabhan. That is the reason. At least the court did not accept these
My lord,
things
the
from
type,
Mr.
there should not be typing mistake, my lord. That should not.
Mr. Dave, that's what I was saying. At
My lord.
least from Mr. Day, the court did not accept this.
My
Not
lord,
from Mr. Day.
it should not be, my lord. Type should
Not
be
from Mr.
version.
Dave. We are telling you frankly, not from Mr. Dave. We did not accept all this.
Should be as it is, my lord. The translated copy should be as
We
it
do
is.
not know. Nine. Get it.
My lord, I beg to submit in the WS, my lord,
Then come to page number 30 of your petition.
page number, my lord,
30.
32. 30. 30, my lord, is
On the right side column, serial number 60, house number 17. What is the name?
Chandraban Bewa, Rohim Box Sheikh,
Chandraban Bewa.
Chandraban.
Right?
Then Amjad Ali, Rohim Box. 61, 62, 01.
Come to page number 28,
28.
77 voter list type copy.
Chandraban Deva.
All are intentional.
Amjad Ali. Rahim Bakshi.
Mr. Day,
My lord,
what is the name of the father of the DW2?
DW2. My lord. DW2.
Is the son of
Jabbar Ali. Jabbar Ali Sheikh.
late Jabbar Ali, Jabbar
Late
Ali.
Jabbar Ali Sheikh.
not Jabbar, Jabbar Ali Sheikh.
Jab-
Jabbar, right? Late Jabbar Ali Sheikh.
Sheikh.
Let us see in the written statement, what is the uncle's name? That you said that the evidence of the DW to not discussed, right?
My lord, my lord.
Paragraph 3 at page 44.
Page 44. Paragraph 3, my lord. The opposite party is a genuine citizen of India by birth. He born and brought up at a village Salagura, and the opposite party's forefathers also born and brought up in the same village, that is village Salagura. Opposite party grandfather name Khudu Sheikh and grandmother's name Haushi Bibi. Both are died before born of OP. Opposite parties father were four brothers, namely Abdul Jabbar Sheikh, Rohim Baksha, Asiruddin Sheikh, Ghaffur Ali Sheikh,
Okay,
and
so these are the four brothers of
four
the
brothers.
petitioner. Abdul Jabbar Sheikh,
Sheikh,
Rohim Baksha Sheikh, Asiruddin Sheikh,
And Ghaffur Ali.
Sheikh.
my lord.
Who is the father of the DW2 now? Let us check at page number 62. Not 62, it is at the page.
Jabbar, page 58. Jabbar Ali Sheikh.
Late
Jabbar Ali, Jabbar
Jabbar
Ali.
Ali Sheikh.
Jabbar Ali. Jabbar Ali, Jabbar Ali. my lord.
Jabbar Ali
One
Sheikh,
B
where
short,
he has
my
said
lord.
that, where is it? To show that Jabbar Ali Sheikh and Abdul Jabbar Sheikh is the same person.
Abdul Jabbar Sheikh. Jabbar Ali Sheikh.
Look at his
Abdul Jabbar.
evidence at page 65.
65. Akhtar Hussain, son of late Jabbar Ali Sheikh, 66 years.
Come to page number 20.
Page number 20.
Is there any Jabbar Ali Sheikh in NRC from 1951?
20. Uncle Ghaffur. Jamir Ali, People's Translate. Uncle Ghaffur. Jabbar, my lord, 9. Jabbar Sheikh, Abdul Jabbar Sheikh,
Yes, Prosody also said Abdul Jabbar Sheikh.
my lord.
There is no Jabbar Ali Sheikh.
Jabbar Sheikh. My lord, My lord, in the evidence DW2, in the paragraph 1, my lord. Paragraph 1, he stated, my father were four brothers, Abdul Jabbar Sheikh, my father. Rohim Baksha, Opi's father. Asiruddin Sheikh, Ghaffur Ali Sheikh. Spelling mistake, my lord.
Don't say that. Don't.
He stated, my lord, but in some places, spelling is different.
Page 60,
Page 60, paragraph 4, my lord.
paragraph 5 down below.
Paragraph 5,
Exhibit 3-4.
my lord.
Then what?
Thereafter, my uncle's Rohim box,
Last line.
last line.
Exhibit 3-4 is the copy.
Exhibit 3-4 is the copy of voter list 66, 1970, submitted by OP.
Submitted by whom?
OP. My lord,
Where is
last
it?
thing is
Submitted by OP.
OP, my lord.
Okay. What are the other issues? Still have to write, she has a single bench, that's the reason.
My lord,
You finish it, it will finish tomorrow from Mr. Fine. What are the other issues?
these are the two issues, my lord, raised in this case. The age of the petitioner and his mother is my lord, dispute is there, my lord. Age dispute is there, and my lord, linkage is not proved. These are the two main, my lord, findings whereby rejected the,
Which are the
declared the
brothers
petitioner as
expired?
foreigner, my lord.
Which are the brothers expired?
My lord, paragraph, page 44, my lord.
Hmm.
Page 44, paragraph 3, my lord, last 4 lines, my lord. 3 lines. 3 lines. Ansar Ali Sheikh deceased. Jamsher Sheikh deceased. Shamsher Ali Sheikh deceased.
So all those three sons of Rahim Box whose name figured in the 1951 NRC, they expired.
My lord.
And also the person whose name figured in the voter list of 1970 expired. Right?
My lord.
When?
It's not specifically mentioned, my lord, in the WS.
Mr. Kuli, the voter list of 1966 placed before the tribunal by the election officer consisted of name of one Ansar Sheikh along with one Rahim Baksh Sheikh and Chandrabhan Nesa Bibi under the 1966 voter list. House number 6E8 Co. Why the name of the third voter figured in the voter list in the same house? Not given in this,
Lordship.
at page number 25.
150, serial number 159, 160, or
159 is there,
Rohim box, yes, Lord.
160 is there.
Chandrabhan Nisa Bibi.
In the same house, there was another person named by Answer Sheikh in 161 in the voter list.
Yes, Lord.
That's been election officer has submitted before the tribunal.
Yes, Lord.
Why it is not at page 25?
So while applying, they give the name, whose name the certificate copy they require. On the basis of that, certificate copy is issued. Your Honor. So if they, while applying, if they mention only these two names, so only these two names will be given, supplied to them. Have they mentioned the name of the third person also? That has also been supplied to them.
Keep it for tomorrow.
Yes.
Mr. Pai, if the petitioner could prove that name of his father and mother figured in the voter list of 1970. And this order of the tribunal have to.
Thank you.